thank you. I can't even thank you guys enough. You guys are really, really wonderful. Thank you to my older new subscribers. Thank you for stopping behind. Thank you so much for your believing in us. Thank you for your support. God bless you all for me. All right, so wonderful family. How are we doing properly? Let me believe you're doing good. Like yesterday or day before yesterday, I posted video about coconuts and I've gotten some questions on my Facebook handle and all that. How do we use it while packing into a new building? Well, I know many people may really need this. That's why I just want to put it in a video. I've actually replied them, but I don't like individual stuff. It's possible gonna help someone today. All right. So, what do we mean by packing into a new apartment? Sometimes we tend to relocate to a new place, a new environment, just to, maybe the previous place is no longer conducive and all that. So we tend to move from the old building or old apartment to the new one if you're still a tenant, okay? All right. In some cases, you don't just wake up in the morning, pack your bags, and start going there. There are things you need to do. Yeah, yeah. You can still pray. It's part of it. Yes, because I always tell you, don't do without prayer. Don't ever do without prayer. Okay. So if you are packing into a new building or you have intention of packing into a new building, a new place, a new apartment, please, you need to follow me to the end of today's video. Okay, you need to follow me, and I'm promising you that you won't regret it. Not at all. You won't regret following me to the end of today's video. And then to my wonderful friends, if today is your first day of watching my videos, hello, 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 wonderful friends. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, okay? And the bell icon beside it for notification so that whenever I post my videos, you just see it, okay? Without struggling about it. So you don't miss any because we have a lot in stock, all right? All right, so let's now go straight to what we have for us. I've posted a video about coconuts and made mention of so many uses of coconuts, and then actually pleaded with you guys. This is actually the size of coconuts I was able to get as of this point of the video. Okay, now if you are packing into a new building, how do we use coconuts? Yeah, there are some buildings today after, you don't really know where the landlord, the constructors, even the land may be in land disputes and all that. You don't need the spirits who or whatsoever spirits that is around them to have anything to do with you. If you are packing into a new place, you need to do some certain things to make sure you prosper in that place. Yeah, because if you're in Nigeria, I don't really know about other countries anyway. If you're in Nigeria, bear with me, there are some buildings today that if you park in there, if you have been doing well in your business, you start, um you know understand, you don't really know what's going on, but before you know it, your business will start going down gradually. uh then there are so many setbacks, okay, so there are so many temptations. You may not really know why and what is going on. If nothing is done, I'm sorry, you may possibly lose all that you came into that building with, but I pray that it will never be your portion. Amen. Just try as much as possible to do this. I'm going to tell you, and many more. There are many ways you can cleanse a building, an apartment before packing in. Okay, so this is one out of many that I'll be sharing in subsequent times. Okay, all right, so just get me coconuts. You can see this one. This is my small coconuts. Get me coconuts, no matter the size. Coconut is coconut. Okay, just bear with me. Get one coconut for me. Pray with it. Say a word of prayer with it, if possible. If you think that you really need cleansing, you have to pray first with um pray and bathe with salt water to cleanse yourself before praying over the coconuts. Pray with the coconuts in the old apartment where you are. If actually that place is good, the place you are living, if actually that place, the spirit there accepted you and you did well that side, but due to one issue or the other, they want to relocate. Please pray over there. Okay? Yeah, when you pray over there, you will come to that building, the the one you want to park in, the main entrance to your own apartment. Don't do it in a outside in the compound. They will start looking at you like someone that is, mentally, or maybe you are doing some fetish things. Yeah, that is the way they will start questioning your sanity. Okay, they'll be like, this person is cultist and all that. Not actually that light. Okay, when you pray, come in front of your own door. I mean the entrance to your door. Declare what you want, and then scare away every evil spirit, every spirit of stagnant, every spirit of not prospering, not every spirit that is backsliding. You're going to call on all of them, and then declare that as you're breaking it, you are warding them away from this, apartment. You are warding them away. You're gonna use this to ward all of them. When you break it, all of them should go their way. You don't have anything to do with them at all. Let them respect you. Let them respect that particular entrance. Let them respect that particular apartment. Understand? And now, when you break it, you're gonna get sea salts. I made videos about sea salts. I don't know if you've not watched it, please try and watch it. It's not normal salt we use. Okay, use your sea salt to sprinkle around the building. Sorry, your room. If it's 4 rooms, fine. Make sure you touch all the parts. If it's one room, make sure you touch all the parts. Okay, with it, it's gonna help you for protection. Then after that, you're gonna use basil and honey, original honey. If you want to know how to dictate original honey or no original honey, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section. I will attend to you. Okay, original honey. When you get original honey, you put it in the water. Okay, put it in the water. Get basil. Basil is leaf, wonderful leaf. But if you cannot get basil, look for scent leaf. All right, yeah, look for scent leaf. These two things, make sure you put them in the water that you're going to use to mop. I mean, cleaning it, clean even the wall, every corner. That is the final cleaning. After cleaning it, if you have old mop, don't use old mop. I'll advise you to get new mop. Okay, even if you don't want to use mop, even if it's a rag, get new one. Make sure you must have clean it, clean dust and everything first. Now use that one as, final touching. You know what I mean? Just use it. And why do we need to have to be in mode of prayer? You have to be praying in your heart sincerely. This land will favor me. If whatever people lost here, I'm not going to lose anything. This place, I must surely locate, I must surely experience favor, breakthrough. This land, as I have used this honey to clean you, and honey is sweet, so shall my life here will be sweet. In fact, if you're still a tenant, tell her this should be the last place I'm going to park in as a tenant. In my next relocation, I'll be going to my own house. Here, this every spirit here should hear this word. Just make a command. Okay, if you've watched my previous videos about the fingers, about coconuts, you bear with me that I made mention of command and authority. Those two fingers have a lot. All of them has so many things, but whenever you are commanding something, make sure you're using this finger. This land should hear me now that I'm going to prosper here. Whatever that people must have lost here, nothing. I'm not going to lose anything. Instead, I will get all. I don't know if you're getting it. Just make it like you are in charge. Tell them that they have no rights over you. By the time you finish doing this, just pack into that building and never relent. Never miss a day of praying. Don't ever try it. Make sure you live a life full of prayers. Understand? Don't live a day without prayer. Alright? So I'm gonna stop here for today. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I will attend to you all. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Plenty, plenty, plenty.